The world of artificial intelligence is vast and complex, but one fascinating element that stands out is generative AI. So what exactly is generative AI? In the simplest terms, generative AI is a type of artificial intelligence that focuses on content. It is like an artist with a blank canvas, using its learned knowledge to create something entirely unique. This could be anything from a piece of music, a poem, a piece of art, or even a full-length novel. But how does generative AI accomplish these feats? It all comes down to the process of machine learning, where the AI ingests vast amounts of data and learns patterns over time. Imagine a child learning to draw. They start by copying simple shapes, then move on to more complex images. Generative AI follows a similar process, but on a much larger scale. Generative AI uses two main models: generative adversarial networks, GANs, and variational autoencoders, VAEs. GANs consist of two parts: the generator, which creates the new content, and the discriminator, which evaluates that content based on the data it has been trained on. The two parts work together, constantly improving and refining the output until it is as close as possible to the real thing. On the other hand, VAEs focus on creating a statistical model of the data, then generating new content based on that model. It's like creating a statistical mold of the data, then using that mold to create new similar data. Generative AI has been around for a while. Google Translate, for instance, has been utilizing it since 2006, and it's been evolving ever since. More recent developments include ChatGPT-4, launched in 2023. This AI model has significantly boosted the capabilities of generative AI, demonstrating an uncanny ability to generate human-like text. In summary, generative AI is a type of artificial intelligence that creates new content, similar to an artist with a blank canvas. It uses machine learning processes and statistical models to generate this content, constantly improving and refining its output. From Google Translate to ChatGPT-4, generative AI continues to evolve, offering us a fascinating glimpse into the future of artificial intelligence. So the next time you marvel at a piece of AI-generated art or read a piece of AI-generated text, remember the complex processes and incredible technology that made it possible. Generative AI is truly a testament to the astonishing capabilities of artificial intelligence.